Nana siasi mai vita au. Te la me viva kai e tua le lava upo te ngata mai nalo ngalo. Ale mai 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 ropa le tua e fai le o whangaroino te le o sana pero as. Te le o sana o ropa nana. Avea ma tama. I call fast food or something. My father almost 40 years now.
Amen.
Yeah, I've been married almost 40 years. I got 10 kids and one wife. It's, you know, I can't say that, you know, every day, you know, is good, you know, being married, you know, there are times that, you know, they're tough times. So I know there are times that, you know, I got a, you know, a good wife. There's, you know, I can be a headache sometimes. You know, but I'm easy to get along with. I can look back what God has done for me. You know, I can only say that God has taken care of me, and you know, from way back then. You know, for some reason I always look back to my life back in the 70s.